अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
कैसी हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक। How are you?
Always so lovely to see you, meet you, and speak to you.
Thank you.
It was a good experience.
Thank you.
Yeah. And you're looking lovely as always.
Thank you.
मैं ना आने से पहले पुराना वाला इंटरव्यू देख रही थी, and you were wearing that sari. I was like,
Yes,
हाँ,
I remember.
that was such a nice one.
Yeah, that's the
right?
only time someone got me and Amir to do a funny segment also. It was really nice.
Yeah, और उस वक्त हमें क्या पता था कि क्या होने वाला आगे?
हमें भी नहीं पता था.
Seriously?
हाँ,
Should we really
100%.
believe that?
Yes.
I'll
you
become the
must.
tabloid.
Trust me.
हाँ,
मुझे तो
okay.
बिल्कुल नहीं पता था. हाँ, मेरी
हाँ.
ख्वाहिश जरूर थी, लेकिन
Oh.
पता नहीं था.
तो ख्वाहिश का इजहार नहीं किया था आप दोनों ने एक दूसरे से?
Actually, I don't know if I've spoken about this before, but I was the one who was more interested or keen, and every time you'd ask me in the interview,
Yeah.
are you somebody who'd propose first? And I was like, yeah.
So did you propose first?
I actually didn't, because I
हाँ.
couldn't, like, आपका सवाल ये होता था क्या लड़कियों को करना चाहिए,
हम्म.
तो मैं कहती थी हाँ करना चाहिए, बट फिर मैं सोचती थी मेरे अंदर तो इतने गट्स नहीं है, लेकिन अच्छा सवाल है, करना चाहिए. बट आई थिंक इट वाज इवेंचुअली गट्स मेरे में भी नहीं थे, अमीर में भी शायद नहीं थे. इट वाज अमीर्स मॉम हु proposed the question, and she said that I think you two should be together, and I can see.
Oh, that's so sweet. माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह.
I know.
तो उन्होंने अमीर को बोला या उन्होंने डायरेक्टली आपको
उन्होंने
आके बोला?
actually मुझसे कहा. We had this I think very फिल्मी का शायद हमारा कुछ वो था, स्क्रीनिंग कर रहे थे हम लोग सब दोस्त वगैरह साथ में, एंड आंटी ने मुझे थोड़ा शायद परेशान देखा कि कभी मैं बहुत सोचने लग गई थी कि हमारा होगा क्या, कोई तो कुछ भी बोलता नहीं है. सो आंटी सेड कि आई नो दैट आई कैन सेंस दैट यू आर थिंकिंग टू मच, and I just want to tell you that I know my son, and the way he cares for you and the way he is around you, I know he's in love with you. I said, well, why doesn't he say it?
अच्छा, तो उन्होंने क्या बोला? उनसे बोला था ना, उससे बोले जाके.
हाँ, but and eventually मुझे पहली रिंग भी आंटी ने पहनाई है on our बात पर की.
God, he's so traditional, yeah, he's so shy.
I think it's a bit of both. He's also traditional and he's also really shy.
So अगर अम्मी की अम्मी ये नहीं करती तो फिर आप खामोशी रहती?
अभी हाँ, इस इंटरव्यू में भी आप मुझसे पूछती कि क्या हो रहा है.
So मतलब आप किसी और से शादी नहीं करती फिर? You're that kind of a person.
I think so, because I think the day I met Amir, I think you feel something in your heart when you meet your soulmate, and I felt it. And people used to tell me that when you meet the right person that you feel you can spend your life with, you'll feel something in your heart. And I used to think it's all filmy and dramatic, and how will I know?
Yeah.
But I remember the first time I saw him on Sabat set, and I exactly remember the room, and he was praying in a corner, और मुझे बस वो moment मुझे इतना beautifully याद है, क्योंकि शायद वो मेरी life का सबसे important moment था. In that moment I knew that, and obviously I briefly knew him because of my law school, and then I saw him praying, and then I saw him behave a certain way on set, and so respectful and so well mannered. I was like, अल्लाह मियां, this is the guy.
अच्छा, मुझे लगता है 2 स्टेजेस होते हैं. एक तो पहले कोई आपको पसंद आ जाए तो लाइक ओके आई लाइक दिस गाय. फिर स्ट्रेस होता है, इज ही गोइंग टू बी अ रियली गुड पर्सन? लाइक व्हाट इफ मैंने किसी ऐसे बंदे को पसंद कर लिया जो सही नहीं है, रेड फ्लैग है, बिकॉज दिल पे तो आपका इख्तियार नहीं है ना.
मैं आपको सच बताऊं, the only question that used to pop in my head was, am I good enough for him? Not because I see myself as a lesser person, or I also do have a lot of respect for who I am and what I bring to the table, but Amir is a really nice guy. So when you meet really, really good people, you're like, am I good?
So okay, does Amir know this?
अब तो he does. अब तो बहुत बातें कर ली, अब तो सब बता दिया.
आपको कहीं रास्ते में लगा कि, या आपको कब लगा कि अच्छा वहाँ से भी फीलिंग्स वही आ रही हैं, लेकिन बोला नहीं गया, बट फीलिंग्स वही आ रही है?
एक्चुअली बहुत लेट, क्योंकि
तो अमीर ने काफी देर तक छुपाई हुई थी.
नहीं, आई थिंक काफी देर तक अमीर में वो फीलिंग्स थी ही नहीं. वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आई हैं. आई थिंक दैट इफ यू इंटरव्यू अमीर, देन you could ask him. I don't think that he was thinking in that direction at all. But I think because I was thinking in that direction, and I would give hints here and there, and like make extra calls, ask for advice for no reason sometimes. कि हाँ, वो मैंने एक काम की बात पूछनी थी, हालांकि बात सिर्फ ये होती थी कि बात करनी होती थी. So many times that has happened. Then I remember the Lux Awards that I asked him to attend with me, and he said, मैं यहाँ पता नहीं, I think he was in the mountains somewhere, and he said मैं यहाँ से कैसे आऊँगा, and this and that, and no, I think I'd rather be here. And I'm like, no, you should. And it was literally a selfish motive कि भाई please, I'd like to see you in Karachi. So yeah, a lot of these little tricks and little hints
Yeah.
kind of became fruitful in the end.
In the end, I think lots of duas.
Yes, that for sure.
Yeah. और वो आपने वो theory सुनी है कि वो two hearts are supposed to meet so they keep bumping into each
Yes.
other, like आपके projects, you know.
You know,
And
that
then-
has happened a lot with us.
Yeah.
Even the fact that we were in the same law school and we didn't know each other.
yeah.
And you know, my friends now tell me that when I was in the law school, I of course used to go for a very brief period of time. बिल्कुल मैं year end पे जाती थी और बस अपनी पढ़ाई करती थी. And I never looked at who were the people around me or whatever. But my friends tell me that I asked about Amir.
Oh.
I don't remember it.
Okay.
One of my friends told me that I said, "Who's this cute boy?" And I literally have no memory of it. But I do remember finding him very, very cute. But then you find someone cute because
Of
you know they're
course,
good looking,
yeah.
and you're like, "Haan, theek hai," and so cute. And then you move on because you have your exam.
Yeah.
And then also once in my law school, I was getting water from somewhere. वो तो हमने आपको अपनी कहानी बताई थी ना. That's how we first
first met. Yes.
So
yeah.
even that, I feel now when I look back, there's been you know such cute interactions. कुछ सालों बाद फिर से बात हुआ, फिर अमीर हार्वर्ड के लिए चला गया, you know barely in touch. Then नीम होना था हमारे लिए. So you're right, you know people who are supposed to eventually come together keep bumping into each other.
अच्छा, so who's more romantic, you or Amir?
No, Amir would say him. So I think we're both very different kind of romantic. Like I'm very out there romantic. Like I'm very openly obsessed with him. The world knows it. And Amir is very, you know how he is as a person. You've met him. Very gentle, very soft. So Amir is very
very wise also.
Also very wise. But uska romance is also very kind. Like he'll do things for you you don't expect.
Really?
You wouldn't expect him to do. And then you realize कि अच्छा वो हर वक्त उसके जहन में वो केयर होती है आपके लिए. जैसे if I'm out on a trip, he'd always check up on me if I've eaten. So there's small things, and he doesn't do it like a romantic thing. He's just that person who's very, very caring. So I feel like that's also romance, you know?
Of course.
Someone really being worried for you, being very caring towards you.
Definitely, yeah. I think इतना cute आपने, मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है details सुन के. And I think this is, ये आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा, this is a very kind romance, you know. And बड़ी नई term आपने की है कि he's a kind romantic.
Out there और वो कोई big like gestures of love या बड़े बड़े वादे और वो नहीं है कि dramatic नहीं है.
He's more practical.
He's practical and he's just kind is just the right word. His romance is also very kind and soft and gentle. And I love that.
But शादी के बाद तो हमें अमीर की एक फनी साइड नजर आ रही है. वो जो इंस्टाग्राम और ट्विटर पे जो भी उनकी जो वो लाइंस होती हैं, I'm like, oh, we never saw this side of him, you know, and he's so much more expressive. That's such a, did you know पहले से कि वो इतने funny है, you know?
Actually अमीर अपने close friend circle में बहुत funny है.
Okay.
अमीर बस जैसे ही थोड़े I think उसको open up होने में थोड़ा time लगता है with outsiders. So basically जब तक मैं outsider थी, I was really craving for his attention and his, you know, कि कुछ तो मुझसे extra बात करे, बात ही नहीं करता. बात का पूरा set गुजर गया और मैं try कर रही हूँ कि एक लड़का मुझे इतना cute लग रहा है, मुझसे बात क्यों नहीं करता. तो वो बहुत brief answers देता था. जैसे वो आपके interview में भी बड़े measured answers देता है या आपसे मिलता भी है जब. So he's very like measured with what he's saying to who. But once you're his inner circle, and that took me, I think, at least 3 years to become his inner circle.
And
then he's very funny.
हम आपकी भी एक बड़ी different side देख रहे हैं.
अब
हाँ,
मतलब अमीर का असर.
हाँ बिल्कुल अमीर का असर है या अमीर से मुलाकात और अमीर के साथ का असर है. I don't know. But yeah, I remember the मावरा जो शुरू में थी Instagram, जिसको जो सब कहते हैं Instagram वाली मावरा, right? फिर बीच में एक फेज है. But now I see this more relaxed, more fun vibe वाली मावरा ना, जो आप कहती है कि मुझे वो क्या है पिया वाला. आपने वो लिखा था ना, मैं तो अभी इस जोन में हूँ, मुझे इस मोड में रहने दो भाई, let me enjoy. I was like, this is so cute, which is also true, कि let me enjoy this romantic part of my life. So you feel Amir has brought out a more, you know, relaxed, more fun kind of you also.
I think because I've literally grown up in front of the cameras, I had a very frivolous side to me growing up in my early 20s, and I was very, you know, silly, and I had my share of mistakes and fun and also like some good work. But eventually I kind of closed